the waterfall braid. I think this is one of the best braids for summer and it's really fun. So let's get started. So what you're going to need is little elastics, or more like one elastic, and then a brush, and that's really it. So let's get started. Alright, so this is one that wraps around your head like that, and it's kind of like a half up, half down type thing. So what you're going to want to do first is grab a little section by your head. It doesn't need to be very big, so this is good. And so what you're going to do is split that into 3 equal sections. So, and then you're going to start out like a normal 3-strand braid or normal French braid. And so you're going to do over the middle and then over the middle. So you do 1 strand of a normal 3-strand braid. And so now what you're going to do is you're going to take the strand to the right and just drop it. So you just drop it like this. And then what you're going to do is pick up a little piece right next to it, like so. And then you're going to take this piece and put it over the middle. So you dropped the right strand and then you picked up another little piece next to it and put it over the middle. So then you just do like a normal French braid and you pick up a piece of hair and add it to the leftmost strand and then put it over the middle. And then you're going to do what you did before. Take the rightmost strand, drop it, and then pick up another little piece next to it about the same size. And then put it over the middle. And then you're going to do the French braid type thing again. Pick up a little piece of hair. And then put it over the middle. And then you're going to do what you've done before and drop that piece. And then pick up a little hair beside it. And then put it over the middle. And right now it looks really tight and like it doesn't look like much. But once you finish and it loosens up, it looks really pretty. Looks really pretty. It's one of my favorite braids. Alright, and then you go back to your French braid by picking up hair and adding it to the left strand and then putting that over the middle strand. And then once again, you drop this right piece and then you pick up a piece of hair next to it. And then put that strand over the middle. And then some people like to stop in the middle of your head and then do another coming in. I like to just go all the way around my head, so that's what I'm going to do. But you're welcome to stop and then just do the same thing going in. So then you drop this piece. And then you pick up hair right next to it. And then you continue French braiding on the top. So you're adding into the leftmost strand. And then you drop the right strand Pick up some hair. And you just continue this for the whole way around. Okay, once you get to the end, your next step is, so I'm going to do this final pull-in for like the front braid part. So just grab the front. I usually grab the front. If you want to leave that down, that's fine. You can just grab another piece from the back. But, so I'm going to add it to the leftmost strand, put it over the middle. Drop that right strand and pick up one more piece and add it to my braid. And then what I'm going to do is just normal 3-strand braid all the way down. I usually can come over here and grab it. You get to the end of that, you grab your elastic and then tie it off. And that's your waterfall braid. So then, if you want to like loosen it up in places, you can. Usually it's pretty good on loosening it up by itself. So that's the... it's actually a pretty simple braid, but it looks really cool. And yeah. Great braid for summer. That's all I have for today. And usually I like straighten like this area. I just didn't. But thank you for watching and stay tuned for any new videos. Thank you. Bye.